I'm the team mascot, and boy, am I running late. But I got lead in my foot and spirit in my fingers. Woo! Ow, what a hit. And if you have cut rate car insurance, the cost to cover that might tank your season. So get Allstate and be better protected from mayhem, like me.
He's got lead in his foot, and I got silver in my hair.
Yeah, it all works.
Well, Tyler Simpson is here with us, Allstate, of course. Is it true that South Carolina auto insurance rates are higher, or in the top 10 as far as highest rates?
Yes, Money Geek did a study this year, and South Carolina is in the top 10 for rates on car insurance.
Aren't we proud?
Due to all our losses, yes. So not a list you want to be on top of, for sure.
I'm sure a lot of young, parents with young new drivers are like, this isn't good news.
It's not good news. No, if you've got a young driver, if you've got a teen driver, you definitely want to make sure you check your policy. You get all the discounts. There's multiple discounts for young drivers with the grades and the driver training. Allstate has a unique discount in addition to that called Teen Smart. That saves an additional 10%. So definitely want to take advantage of that.
But guys still are more of a risk factor than girls.
Unfortunately, the men are still leading that category.
Again, another good list to be on.
No. But listen, Allstate are doing things, and you're kind of, working to where you're really not having to raise the rates a lot. How are you able to do that?
So, and this is a very well-known story. Allstate has not taken the rates that other companies have taken. There's a major carrier that took rates this past Monday for the third time this year. Allstate has taken steps. We've restructured our company. We sold off our corporate office. A lot of those people are now working from home, saving people money, not paying for that. And they've restructured pay plans for employees and stuff to keep from raising rates. And that's our number one goal is, we've taken a little bit of the pain to try to take some of it off the consumer. So if your rates have gone up this year, you probably need to call us because we're definitely helping a lot of people.
That says a lot. The company's willing to take a few bucks out of their own pocket to help you.
Yep, absolutely.
I like that.
But you reach out once a year anyway, right, with your clients and say, let's go over this now. It's been a year and see if we can help you.
Absolutely. We guarantee every client an annual review once a year to go down and make sure you got all the discounts, make sure all the coverages are appropriate, and that you're not maybe paying for something you don't need. Or if you've got double coverage somewhere else, we can take that off. For instance, if you've got AAA and you also have roadside assistance, you would be paying for two different coverages.
Get rid of one of them.
You could get rid of one of them, save you some money.
Well, what about some people that are saying, my insurance company, they don't want to pay their policies? Is that, or even they don't want to pay out the claims?
Absolutely. A lot of people say that. I hear a lot, insurance companies don't pay claims. I hear insurance companies don't pay. And I can tell you, the losses that we've had this year, we don't fall into that category. But a lot of it comes from, having an agent that's there to support you and advise through the claims process to make sure that you get everything done. So that's my biggest recommendation is get an agent that can support you, advise through the claims process so that you don't fall through the cracks.
Well, you sell a product, but you really, in a sense, represent us more than the insurance company themselves.
Absolutely.
You sell their product, but you represent us.
We represent our insureds.
Yes.
We're on your side. We go to bat for you every day.
Thank you.
Whether it's with a claim or with a question with a policy or a coverage, we're there to advise and support you so that you get the most out of your policy.
Okay. All right, first step real fast. If someone's watching, I'm like, all right, my driver, get ready to start. They just call you and come do a quick little sit down. How do we get started?
Well, we can do it a couple of different ways. I would recommend coming in and sitting down in our conference room. We'll put your policy up on the screen. We'll go through the discounts so that you can see what they are. You can see what they do for you. I mean, we definitely want to save you all the money that we can, but we also want to make sure you're properly covered. So if you do have that accident,
you're taken care of.
You're taken care of, and you've got the replacement cost coverage on there. You've got the rental car coverage, which is something we've run into this year. Most people have $30 a day in rental coverage. You cannot rent a car for that now.
No.
The cheapest car after tax is $32.50.
All right.
So
go to them.
Thanks,
He saves
Tyler.
you money. TylerSimpsonInsurance.com. Thanks, Tyler. We appreciate it.